Hello, welcome. I'm Janet Butler and I teach Professional Cookery at Riseholme College. At Riseholme we offer Professional Cookery at Level 1 and Level 2, and these courses are designed to help you develop all the skills and knowledge you're going to need to move forward as a chef in the catering and hospitality industry. Of course you can go forward in lots of other directions too. It's an industry well known for having job opportunities at all levels. You'll learn in small groups in our modern teaching kitchen using digital steam ovens and induction hobs with lots of support so that you can learn and reach your full potential. You can expect lots of your time at college to be spent in practical lessons in the kitchen, learning lots of new skills and techniques. You'll especially focus on knife skills, working right from chopping onions to filleting fish. You'll learn to evaluate your products from bread, cakes, poultry, meat, fish and vegetable dishes, and continually work out how to develop and how to improve. You'll have practical assessments in all the units, and alongside this you'll work on theory assignments in theory lessons to support the work you're doing in the kitchen. Understanding the importance of such areas as health and safety, food safety and special diets will be a focus in both theory and practical work. So, to sum up practical professional cookery in 3 words: practical, fun and hopefully tasty. So if you fill in an application form today, we'll be back in touch very soon with more information about our courses and advice about which level may suit you best. So we look forward to hearing from you soon.